Saving money feels so difficult, right? It's like constantly saying no to yourself. It's like being on a diet just never ends. Like a punishment, no chai, no Starbucks, no weekend plans. But what if the problem is not about willpower? What if we've actually been doing it all wrong? There's actually a psychology trick that billion-dollar companies use to make us spend more money. But what if we flip it around and use the same trick to get attached to savings and actually enjoy the process more? So in this video, let's take a look at what the psychology is and how we can use it for our own benefit. Let's get started. So imagine 1950s America. Betty Crocker created the world's perfect cake mix. All you had to do was add water and you would get restaurant quality cake. And since there were so many home bakers who loved baking, Betty Crocker thought they were going to become millionaires and launch the product. But then, nothing. The sales absolutely terrible. Then they hired psychologists to figure out what went wrong. And the reason was so weird and counterintuitive. Turns out the cake mix was too perfect. People who loved baking felt like frauds. They felt like they were cheating and they were not really baking, or it was not their creation anymore. So then Betty Crocker made a change. They made the product worse. They basically removed powdered eggs from the mix, forcing the customers to add real eggs during the preparation process. And because of this, the sales skyrocketed. Same cake, same taste. But now the bakers felt like they made it and they could take pride in their creation again. And this discovery became so important that years later, it's got a name called the IKEA Effect. Named after this furniture company that makes you build everything with those confusing instruction manuals. The IKEA Effect is very simple. The more effort you put into something, the more you value it, regardless of the actual quality. You literally trick your brain into loving something more just because you put more work into it. And once you see this, you realize it's everywhere. Subway doesn't make a sandwich. It lets us customize everything. No onion, to have it more spicy, to add extra paneer. We're not getting their sandwich, we're building our perfect meal. Have you ever felt the pride after making the 2-minute noodles Maggi? It's like we made this really fancy dish. Even Meta does this. WhatsApp and Instagram, they let us customize our DPs, our status, stories, even our chat wallpapers. These apps can work perfectly well without any of these customizations. But they make us do all this so that we get more emotionally attached. So how does this help us? We can actually turn it around and use it to our advantage. What if we add like these personal touches and customizations to our savings plan and get more attached to it and start enjoying the process more? To make our own finance rules and put them up on sticky notes as like a reminder. For example, my personal thing would be no UPI after 8 p.m. And once I have the sticky note around, anytime I'm tempted to make any UPI payment, I instantly remember the sticky note, or I see the sticky note from the corner of my eye and I'm like, I tell myself to stop. Or we can have our own savings challenge. Like every time you go for a run or you exercise, 100 rupees more into the savings account. And every time we say no to the 1 a.m. greasy food and ice cream cravings, 200 rupees goes into our savings account. Or we can have like a fun outing budget in which we can list down all the things that we find fun and actually want to do and spend our money and time on. So that every time there's like a weekend plan or something that we would like to go, instead of coming up with different plans and trying to restrain ourselves and say no to a million things, we know exactly what we have budgeted for and go for something that we actually enjoy. Or another simple way can be like just customizing the name of the accounts. Like instead of retirement fun, it could be like a badass grandma beach house. Betty Crocker discovered something fundamental about human psychology. We don't just want things, we want to feel like we've made them. So every time we're customizing something, we're essentially cracking Betty Crocker's egg. Question is, are we using it to spend more money or make more money? So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it fun and enjoyable. And make sure to subscribe to watch more such videos. So see you soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye.